and a new news, a new update. We are here again to update you on what is going on. This update is from Biafra Liberation Army. As you can see on the screen, I have some clips that we are going to go through, and we have many other things to discuss, but we may not contain it, have it all in this one video. It may not contain in one video, so that it will not be too long. Anyway, without wasting much of your time, Biafran government in exile and all the Biafrans everywhere in the world have come together and declare Biafra as independent nation. And people question what next. It's time to defend the declaration. And here in this video, we are going to see how Biafran army have started doing that which they said they're going to do. Yes, the vehicle you are seeing now is not a Nigerian army. This is Biafran army. This is Nigerian, not Nigerian army. This is in Ohafia in Biafra land. As you can see, the video is not old video. This is 5 hours ago. As of the time I'm making this recording. Okay, this from platform. This video is from Rose, Commander Rose is a Biafran commander. So he is the one that shared the video from Simon Ekpa Disciple, one of another account who actually uploaded the video in the first place. Now, I will allow the video to play so that it will not be as if I'm the one that that made the video or record or shoot the video. So my own is to bring it to you to report it so that most of you that are not on X or maybe Nigerian news have blocked you from receiving feed about what is going on where you come from. What I mean by where you come from, I'm talking about Biafrans. You will have the opportunity to watch the video. And it's not only this one, we're going to show you other things as well. Just from
one barrack to another to make sure that we bomb the zoo down. We bomb the zoo down. This Biafra government is moving. Biafra Liberation Army is moving. Biafra Liberation Army. Biafra Liberation Army, we are on our movement now. We have collected their car. I am not going to Hamuto. Kind of trouble. Onye ga-ebe pam. Onye ga-ebe pam. Onye ga-ebe pam. I am the boy. Jafatule. Jafatule.
So this is one of the video, and like I promised you, we have other one to bring to you. But before then, I would like you to pay attention to the write-up here. And this write-up said, Biafran Liberation Army are engaging the Nigerian terrorist army in Ohafia right now. Biafran Liberation Army have neutralized them in numbers and collect their vehicle. Now, remember those who claim that, oh, Simon Ekpa is one. Once you take him away, this thing there will stop. This one will do, this one will do. This is what you have when you ignore the issue to and focus your attention on something that has nothing to do with what you consider as a problem. Everybody in Nigeria, whether Biafran or non-Biafrans, are fed up of the system, but people pretend that give my brother a chance to rule so that we can register that we have been the one. We are the owner of this country. We are the owner of that. But the hunger and insecurity, poverty, and deprivation, a poor economy and poor governance are hitting everybody wherever you, no matter where you come from, north, south, east, west, wherever you come from, you are a partaker of this ignorance and bad governance in Nigeria. But they pretend that they have an answer to everything. I'm not here to preach for anything, but please let us understand the reason why people are clamoring for freedom and why people choose to have their freedom and working towards that day in and day out. Now, I want you to listen to one of the Biafran Liberation Army, what he has to say.
Because you have wasted our parents and our siblings. Not only the Biafra Liberation Army will fight the war anymore. We are ready to stand to defend our land. Either we be Biafra Liberation Army or not. We are ready to stand to defend the land, and we must do it. Stand at any fucking time, at anything Nigeria put to the table. You understand? I want Nigeria government to know. If you think to bring war to the Easterners, to the Biafrans, I want you to know that even those that hate Biafra, when the war crashes, when the war starts, those who stand to fight you, I'm telling you the facts. Because you have wasted our parents and our siblings. Not only the Biafra Liberation Army will fight the war anymore. We are ready to stand to defend our land. Either we be Biafra Liberation Army or not. We are ready to stand to defend the land, and we must do it. First of all, I want to say congratulations to all Biafrans all over the world. Congratulations to us for the redeclaration of Biafra. And I respect my heavenly leader, Mazi Nnamdi Okukalu. And I respect my Prime Minister, I respect you, my Prime Minister, Mazi Simon Ekpa Njoku. Respect to the Chief of Staff, Mada Ngozi Orabueze. Respect. Respect to all the gallant men who stand strong to defend our mother's land, for not allowing the terrorists to come and take over. The land of the rising sun, the land of Biafra will continue to protect each and every one of you. They get Oye Afo Oko Na Chukwu Kabiaba. He said, congratulations once again, Biafra all over the world, for the redeclaration of Biafra. We are a free country right now. Thank you. One love.
So, having said that, it is very clear that many people who have different opinion, people who think that those who declare Biafra or declaration of Biafra is wrong thing. Biafrans, I have watched videos of content creators that are neither IPOB nor Biafran government in exile supporters. They are neutral, but they are Biafran. They support Biafran freedom, but somehow they are not knowledgeable enough to know who to follow and what to believe on. But they still have their brain with them. Most of them are now throwing their weight with joy about Biafran redeclaration. What I'm saying is internal issue, please. It's not about Nigerian as a country or anything. I'm talking about Igbo Biafrans. Many people that have kind of they don't like PM, but they are happy because of his activities or his achievement. Just the same way, forget about what is going on, and like everybody is now sounding as if they have been in support of Martin Luther from get go. 99% of those that are joining, they are throwing their weight or voice, Oyendu, who many that are calling him Oyendu now are not even, they don't regard him in the first place. But why they develop this sudden love is because they are now weighing the activities of Biafran Prime Minister and the one of Mazi Amon Kano, because all of them, they felt that Mazi Amon Kano is Mazi Amon Ekpa, Biafran Prime Minister, is somehow, running fast, that they don't give them chance to prepare. You understand? They're not happy with it. But those who actually understand what freedom means and who have been following the event from day one are so much in love with him. Just like now, the love is now moving from PM to chief of staff. Very soon they will start, those who don't like freedom will start now, to attack, which they have started. Emeka Gift is leading the race now to attack chief of staff, because I just saw his post just 1 hour ago saying that he will not leave Finland, that you should do your findings. And he said it. He has said that in the past. A few days ago, he made similar comment that they are working on how to arrest her in Finland. This kind of threat and all this is what you have, what you can see from somebody who are so much in love with Nigerian government. In the na worship na serve their slave masters. These are things you will see. I'm not saying you should not like whoever they want to like, but I'm just trying to create awareness for our people to understand what these people actually, want. But be it as it may, it is a normal thing that in every freedom movement you have people who will stand against and those who will support. But what matters is who have more. Who command the population among those two individuals, or these two groups, these different two groups. Who are people listening to? Who are people actually throwing their support to? You must have those who will say no, 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 no. You understand? It is normal. We are our own. We will not be different. Ambazonians have different, group in them. They are still fighting. Even in America, now that Trump is here after he won the election, people are still fighting him. Even when the what Trump wants is just like as plain as anything. He is very, very transparent in what his objective and what he want to achieve. So what I'm trying to say is that it is normal thing. So I'm not here to make the video to be too long, but I just want you to have in mind that thing that they are saying, that they've been lying to our people, that a PM is the one causing that and doing this and doing that, is still going on in our land, to tell you that people who are piloting the affairs are the owner of the land. Owner of the land know themselves. Thank you so much, my people, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think about what we discussed so far. What's your own opinion? Are you in or out? I would like to read from you. God bless you. Bye bye for now.